Welcome to another Backroad review. In this review, we're going to take a look at one of the most affordable sit and stand desks out on the market today. As you can see, it's packaged fairly well. So we're going to unpackage this and set it up for you and then do a review. Let's get started. All right, that wasn't too terrible. Pretty easy to put together. Let's see how this thing works. Pretty quiet. Goes up pretty nice. There we go. Yeah, seems pretty stable. Okay, so that went together pretty easy. The up and down buttons are very quiet. I'm 6 feet tall. My arms are in a good relaxed position, so if the table is up, I shouldn't have any issues. And it goes up and down fairly quickly. And then you have a few adjustments where you can set it to the height and it'll remember it. Some pre-done adjustments for you. It goes up and down fairly easy, fairly quickly. Okay. My name is Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.